to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey Styles, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a makeup look. If you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, make sure you keep watching. And also I tried to create this look using just one palette, just because I feel that not everybody, has a big range of makeup. Some people are just new to makeup and not everybody has thousands of palettes that they can just dip into to create a look. So I tried to stick to one palette, and I think I used maybe one pigment, which is the gold on my lid. So make sure you guys continue watching to see how I created this look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification button so you guys can see when I upload a new video. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Firstly, I'm going to take my Fit Me foundation in the shade 095. Just apply it to my eyes as a base for my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and just blend that all out. This is the only palette that I'll be using to create today's look. It is from Makeup Academy and I got this from Superdrug. I'm going to go into this peachy tone first and I'm going to apply it to my lid. This is going to be my transition tone for the eye look. Then taking this bright orange shade, I'm going to apply this mainly focusing in my inner corner in the crease area.
What a wonderful world.
Similar thing, I'm going to dip into this bright red and I'm going to apply it into my outer corner, focusing it in the crease area.
They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world.
Using the same brush that I used to apply the transition colour with, I'm just going to blend out the outer lines just to make sure everything is seamless and there's no harsh lines. Going back in with my Fit Me foundation, I'm just going to cut my crease and give it a winged look effect.
What a wonderful world. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Using this gold pigment, I'm just going to apply this to the area that I cut. I'm going to start off with like tapping motions and then sweeping it across the eyelid.
What a wonderful world.
back in with the brush that I used to apply the bright red. I'm just going to smoke the ends of the gold pigment so that they blend in with the eyelid. For me personally, this is the trickiest part about the look, but I feel that this white eyeliner effect gives a makeup look, or even just the eye look by itself, so much more character. So as you guys can see, I'm just adding a bit of dimension to the wing that I created with the gold pigment.
What a wonderful world.
Using an eye pencil, I'm just going to fill in my brows. As you can see, I've got quite full brows as it is, so I don't really use any heavy products, nor do I use much product. It's just to fill in the sparse tiny gaps that I do have, and just to make my eyebrows more bold when I cut them with concealer. This eyebrow pencil I got from PAX. If you're from London, you'll know about them beauty stores, but I'm sure you can get an eyebrow pencil from any beauty store, any makeup store. This is the last part that I'll be talking in the video, because I know me personally, when I'm watching YouTube videos, I hate it when somebody talks throughout. But I'm going to be using my Revolution concealer just to cut my brows, make them a lot sharper and bolder. But I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in my next styles.
Kick down your doors and smack your chick.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how they do. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how they do. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful wonderful world. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do? They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. 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 They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do? They're really saying
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must be like us to be joking when I say,
Oh, now you get to me like you